Hi friends, this is Selvajang here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today let us discuss what is IPSLA and the IPSLA issues. Let us debug IPSLA issue. What is IPSLA? IPSLA is a IP service level agreement which is used to monitor the network performance or the network traffic in a live environment. So we'll go always R1 and R2. This is an architecture where I connect to R1, R2 and 1.1 and 1.2. So the R1 always will generate a traffic in case in this architecture, I generated a ICMP echo traffic. So echo is nothing but it will send a ping and will get a reply, right? ICMP echo request and echo reply. So it will generate the ICMP echo request and it will expect a reply from the R2, that is a responder. So each and every time it will continuously send a ping request. I have set the frequency 10 seconds. So IPSLA, what it does in a live environment, it will send a ping every 10 seconds and expect a response. In case of any issue, it will report. So that is the purpose of IPSLA. It is mainly for monitoring the network performance or the network traffic in a live environment. So today what happened, I'm not able to see any live SLA statistics. So we need to go ahead and fix the issue. So let us go ahead to R1 and let us check the interfaces. Show IP interface brief, right? And let us interface up. Let us check on R2 also. Show IP interfaces brief. Because the first and foremost thing you have to check in IPSLA, so both the interfaces should be up, right? In case if this is down, then IPSLA will not work. So both the interfaces are up. And another command to check the IPSLA statistics is show IPSLA monitor statistics. So here you are able to see round trip time is nothing but whenever the ping is sent, it will send a request and get a reply. That we call it as a round trip time. And the latest it is showing all unknown, and even the return code and everything is showing unknown. That means there is some issue. So let us go ahead and fix the issue. So before that, I want to show how to configure the IPSLA, right? So that is the first and foremost thing you have to understand. IPSLA. So let us go to the individual configuration and let us run the IPSLA. Let us go here and go to the configuration. See, this is the way we have to configure IPSLA, that is service level agreement monitor. It is used to monitor the live traffic followed by the number and then type. What is the type is echo protocol. Echo protocol is nothing but ICMP echo. It will send a ICMP echo packet to 1.1 destination, that is 1.2, and it will expect a response from the R2. That is the purpose of configuring this monitoring. And frequency is nothing but how long it is sending the ICMP echo and getting the reply from the R2. That is the purpose we are configuring frequency. So that is one more command which is missing, what we called as a IPSLA scheduler. That we have to run the scheduler, right? So without the scheduler, it will not send the packet, ICMP echo packet, and it will not get the reply packet. So how to run it? So that is the purpose. We are not seeing the statistics. So how to configure is go to configuration mode, IPSLA monitor. Then we have to use the word schedule. Then we have to use number, any number, schedule 1. Then we have to use live forever. Then we have to use start time. So start time we can give any time. So now let us give it as now. Now you want to run, so let us give now. So after running this, what happened? Every 10 seconds now you can see the statistics. Previously it was showing as unknown, right? This code is showing as unknown. So now you can see the changes. So now let us go to IP statistics. So we're able to see, right, it is showing the return code. Return code is nothing but it will send a ICMP echo request and it will get a reply, that is the return code is okay. And number of success is 2 and number of failures is 0, right? So latest RTT is 52 milliseconds. So within 52 milliseconds, round trip time is nothing but the time in which it will send a echo request and get a echo reply. That is a RTT, round trip time. So now let us check it out. It will continue increasing. See, it is increasing 83 milliseconds now, and number of successes 4. So every 10 seconds it will continuously send the echo request and the reply packet. So after some time you can see it will increase. Number of successes will increase. Yeah, you are able to see, right? Now it is increasing. So this is the purpose of configuring IPSLA. So IPSLA is a IP service level agreement which is used to monitor the network performance or a network traffic in a live environment. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.